pleasant dreams.
Sleep tight. Try not to bugger each other.
Well, good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Sleep tight, hotshot.
Sleep tight, Angel Face. The rock's on the case.
I'm gonna take mine to bed, okay?
Okay, baby doll. Sleep tight.
Thanks.
Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs.
Sleep tight.
Sleep tight, my son.
Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Have a good trip, Kay.
Sleep tight, sweetie.
He can't wait to see you. Sleep tight.
Good night, Mamo.
Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Or creep into your ear and lay eggs in your brain.
Night. Sleep tight.
So, good night, sleep tight, and don't let the bed bugs bite. Because there are literally thousands of them.
Oh, and there's probably something in your closet.
Sleep tight.